There's a real mood of uncertainty and change surrounding these elections, both for councils in England and for the Scottish Parliament, but nowhere is that prospect of change more significant than here in Wales, where the Welsh Assembly might change hands for the first time since it was set up in 1999. For a century, the Labour Party has been the dominant force here. For 27 years, they have formed the government. But that could all change on Friday when the results of the election are counted, because the expectation is that Plaid Cymru are going to win, a nationalist party taking power from Labour. And in second place, likely, although possibly in first, you're going to have Reform, the brand new party founded by Nigel Farage. They are going to supplant the two big traditional parties, Labour and the Conservative Party, who finished first and second in the last election, but this time are scrapping it out to see which of them finishes fourth. So that really will be an earthquake in politics in Wales, and people are going to watch very carefully to see what kind of implications it has for the wider electorate in the United Kingdom, how it might change coming into a general election that's due to be held sometime over the next 2 or 3 years. And that's why people are watching these elections here in Wales with great interest.